Hello guys, welcome to a new video, and I want to discuss two hot AI stocks that you should load up right now if you want to make a good profit in the coming months, weeks or years, right? So these are the two hot stocks that are in market right now. So if you want to make some profit and you don't have these in your portfolio, I definitely would suggest that you add in this portfolio. I'm gonna also show you how you can buy them for much less than what is running in market right now. Okay, so with that, let's start. Okay, so I'm going off of this article, right? And even though I do have a good amount of stake on these two stocks, I found this article kind of supporting my thesis as well, right? So if you want to read through it, definitely I'll put that link down in the description. You can read through it, but I'm gonna go through it in this video itself. Okay, so the first one, right? The first one is nvidia, guys. That's no surprise. In the AI world, nvidia is the king right now. It makes a lot of chips, lot of good amount of AI, the processing power that it needs. Nvidia is the answer to that, and it supplies all that, right? So with that, there are a lot of attention already into this. But even though this is you can see the graph for today, or right, this is already in last I would say in this year, right? This is already up huge, but still there is a huge potential, right? And there are clearly defined support levels that you can see, right? When I draw the Fibonacci in this, you can see the clear support levels. There is a very strong support, I would say, at around $100 range, right? Because it bounced back couple of times here, and this is right now also touching one of the other key support, which was around 118th, and looks like it is trying to bounce off. As I record this video, it's trying to bounce off of this level, right? And this is the highest point it kind of touched that, but it came back 141. But there are a lot of analysts, even in this article, if you see, they are predicting almost 560%. Also a lot of other article that I have found, they are predicting nvidia to cross $200 in maybe by the end of the year or maybe early next year, right? So as long as the momentum is there, and that's what it looks like, a lot of companies are investing into the AI innovation. They are trying to use AI whatever way possible. They're trying to make use of it, and nvidia is the big beneficiary, guys. So if you do not have this, definitely add this in your portfolio. Okay, the second name, right? This is recently this was added in S&P 500, Palantir Technologies, guys. PLTR. And if you do not know what this is basically they have been doing AI work even before AI was, or chat GPT was the popular that we have been seeing for last couple of years, right? But Palantir was using AI in most of their products that they were developing AI long before that, right? So they are kind of a pioneer in when it comes to the defense side of the AI, and there are a lot of they do have a lot of government contracts. You can research for Palantir with a lot of articles that you will find, because this is one of the hottest in the AI sector that is booming right now in terms of software, right? So nvidia is one spectrum where you go the hardware side, but Palantir is on the mostly on the product and software side, right? So they are a big beneficiary of that. And so far people were kind of skeptical about Palantir's growth, but recent addition to the S&P kind of proves that they are in the right track. So if you look at their chart as well, right, they are kind of they broke past this this $28 range, and that's where that all the addition to the S&P was announced. And after that, this kind of a good amount of increase that we have seen. So there may be a slight pullback, but there is, I don't think this is gonna go down below this $30 range, right? That's where there's a strong support that has built up. So I would say there could be a little pullback in this, but you should keep the long-term horizon in picture for Palantir, and do load up on this stock as well. There's a lot of chatter in about this in overall the YouTube. If you search or anywhere in the internet, there's a lot of talk about this company, and for a good reasons. They are if you talk about AI in the software, they are leader in a lot of product that they have built, right? So definitely do check out, and you can use a lot of other platform to do your technical analysis on this. And this is Palantir, guys. So if you do not have, I would definitely say that load up on this. So nvidia and Palantir, right, guys? So these are the two stocks that you should have in your portfolio if you believe in AI. Okay guys, so that was the quick video. I wanted to introduce you to two AI stocks, and if you have not subscribed, guys, definitely do so. I make a lot of videos mostly about options trading, so if you have any questions in that area, do put your questions and I will answer to that. I'll talk to you in my next video. Till then, happy investing. Bye bye.